Hello, welcome to our channel Varieties. Today we are going to prepare a Eworkple, the authentic Eworkple from the Volta region of Ghana, and let's get started. In preparing our Eworkple with a modern twist, we want it so healthy, loaded with nutrients. So I need maize flour or corn flour. This is maize flour. It's not the white corn, but it's a bit yellowish. Then I have here my spring onions. I have my spinach and then a little parsley. So what we are going to do now is I'm going to cut these things into pieces. Let's set this aside. I'll cut it's been already washed. Cut them into pieces and blend. We are going to blend all this stuff together. So you have to ensure you cut it so that your blender can blend it well. All these have been neatly washed. So I'll put it in the blender here. Then when you hear the sound of the blender, know I'm blending all these things. Oh my God, we'll add a little water. And then, so lovelies, this is my pot on fire. I've poured in a little water and it's boiling. I'm going to add a little sea salt to taste. Then I'm pouring in all my blended stuff here. This is a Eworkple, authentic Eworkple from my country, Ghana, but with a modern twist because I want it very nutritious. So now what we are doing is I'm going to pour in my maize flour bit by bit and then I'll stir. Pouring in the rest of the water. I told you this is with a modern twist. The one we prepare, we just prepare it like that without all the veggies. But I'm giving it this twist to make it more nutritious and healthy. You know, a variety. It's a channel that deals with healthy living. So that's why. The aroma, it's so good. Now, if somebody is a convalescent recovering from sickness, you can give him this. The older ones, you want to avoid agbelimo, cassava dough, or starch. Yes, just prepare it like this and it will help all of them. Let's continue living a healthy life. So our Eworkple is now well cooked, so we will plate it. I love my calabash. Guys, our Eworkple is ready. That I've used spinach, spring onions, and parsley to prepare. It's so sumptuous. Look at how it is. So this is what we have gotten. It's so yummy, and then we are going to eat it with our bobby taddy. It's so yummy. Yeah. So guys, thanks for watching our video.